on a jade islet in Hanoi Lake, the Lake of the Returned Sword. Ngọc Sơn Temple stands in the heart of Hanoi's Old Quarter. You reach it by crossing the charming curved red wooden bridge called Thê Húc Bridge. Its name poetically means Perch of the Rising Sun. Though today the cost is often quoted as 50,000 VND per adult for foreign visitors, many local sources and guides note that Vietnamese citizens or students pay a lower rate or a discounted price. Children offer enter free or at further reduced rates. The temple is generally open around 7 a.m. until 6 p.m. and on weekends until 10 p.m. Why visit? Because Ngoc Sơn Temple offers not just architectural beauty and a quick respite from city noise, but a deep connection to Vietnam's national identity and legend. It's a living link between city life and ancestral memory. Step inside its halls and you'll find shrines honoring the Confucian and Taoist traditions. Statues of revered figures like the General Tran Hung Dao and Van Zhong Di Quan, a deity thought to bless scholars and learning. Perhaps the most haunting and symbolic exhibits are the preserved bodies of Ho Kiem Lake's ancient turtles, displayed in glass cases as relics of nature and legend. These were giant soft-shell turtles, once believed to swim in the lake itself, an emotional tribute to a species deeply woven into Hanoi's soul. The last live grandfather turtle is believed to have died in 2016, and now lives on in the memory and in museum form inside the temple. As you meander through the Dak Nuat Lao Moon Viewing Pavilion or Tran Ba Pavilion, where local elders sometimes gather to play chess or talk quietly by the lake. Don't forget to take in the views across the water towards Turtle Tower, another iconic structure on a separate island, built in the late 19th century and tied to the same turtle legend. Though the temple is modest in scale, its beauty lies in the layering of history, faith, myth, and quiet reflection. Many visitors cross the bridge literally to see it, but stay to feel it. Plan to spend 30 to 60 minutes to roam, read inscriptions, observe the turtle exhibits, and appreciate views. Before you go, remember, dress respectfully. Remove shoes in worship halls and keep your voice low. The temple is still an active place of devotion. So next time your path takes you through Hanoi, pause at the Red Bridge, cross into a quiet jade aisle, and linger where history and legend meet the surface of a lake. Ngọc Sơn Temple may be small, but in those walls live stories of kings, heroes, and a turtle that once held a nation's sword.